Hi, my name's Samuel Meekum, and this is my Geo Narrative Project 2. Um, for this project, I'm telling the migration story of myself, um, my annual migration from my hometown, Chico, California, to Boy Scout camps. I was a part of a group called Boy Scouts, where we would go camping every summer, and I went every year from fifth grade to senior year of high school. And each year we try and go to a different summer camp, just so then we're able to find new areas and explore new parts of, usually we'd stay in California, so new parts of California. But I'm starting off my story here at the Elks Lodge in Chico, which is where I we would meet every Monday night, and we'd come back here. Where is it? Right here. We'd come in to this patio deck amphitheater sort of thing. I don't know how to describe it, but we'd meet back here, and um, yeah, I just thought this was an important place for us, and just kind of my story in general. The next place I thought I'd bring you is the Boy Scout camp that I went to and worked at, which it's in Butte Meadows, which is only a half an hour to an hour drive away from Chico, California. And basically, you drive up these mountain roads and you finally pull into camp. And you pull down this road. Right here, we had our gift store and um, shower houses. And then all throughout camp, you see these roofs. If you can see that where my my pointer is, that is a um, cabin roof. And we stayed in cabins that only had three walls and a roof. Um, and so basically, sometimes you'd put a tarp over, but um, yeah, it was where we'd stay during the summers. And then this is the lodge where we'd eat our meals. There was the mail room. Um, yeah, that was our Boy Scout lodge. And then out here, it was really special because it had this gigantic field um, that was separated by. They said we had a lake. It was really a big glorified pond that turned into a stream down here into Big Chico Creek, which is actually what goes down into my hometown, Chico. But we would meet over here in the fields every morning where we would do morning announcements and other things. Um, Basically, I went to camp every year, and I would consider this to be a voluntary internal migration where I go from one point in the US to another point for a temporary time. I did end up working at this summer camp from my freshman year of high school to my senior year of high school. And even though it was still the same voluntary migration, I would consider it to be um, a a labor migration, so voluntary labor migration. Um, and so my motive like with the labor migration is money. So that was my motive for um, working there. But then attending camp, I would consider my main like pull factor um, was really influenced by amenity migration, which is the migrating because you want to be in this society or community of your choosing, basically. The book was saying a lot of baby boomers are moving to different countries. They're doing amenity migration to different countries to live in a better, more like fun retirement place. But um, just going off of camp again, um, I I worked at this place because I loved it so much. I loved like the nature around us, and it was a place where I was able to explore. Um, there was this creek up here, Big Chico Creek, so it continued up into the mountains, and it was just like a beautiful place that we could go and kind of reflect on our weeks and stuff. And then we'd go swimming. The lake was freezing cold because it was snow melt, but that was that. But yeah, so this was my summer camp, and this is my like migration story from how I went from my hometown Chico to a new summer camp every summer. But yeah, thank you for watching.